Hey buddies, how are you all? Welcome to Brahma Writings. Today I'm here with some interesting stuff actually. Uh, right, I'm aggressively working on Snowflake. Uh, I'm doing some POC, proof of concept. So today I'm going to discuss about store procedures, how we are going to create store procedures in Snowflake. Okay, so for that I have created one DB. Right, in Snowflake, it is all about we need one data warehouse and we need one DB, and within that, we need one schema. Within the schema, we create tables. So I have created one DB. It is Brahma underscore DB. Here you can see this. Next, you can ignore this. Okay, so I have created one table. So the table is successfully created. Here you see, right, there is one option, replace. Even if it is already exists, it will replace the table again. So we can run the same query number of times whenever it is required. So now I'm done with the table creation. Let's see what is there inside. There are no records. Okay, now I just want to insert a few records actually. So generally for inserting data, we use insert into. These are the columns. I have given these names actually, right, for characters and string, we need to give some codes. For numbers and integers, it's not required. So let me execute and insert a few records. Now I just want to add a new column, that is rating. In order to add a new column to any existing table, the command goes like this: alter table Brahma, add rating. The data type is a number for this rating. So let me execute and add this new column. So now I just want to insert a rating for these people actually, let's say employees. I just want to insert rating for all these employee IDs. Okay, so I'm going with the update way. So I'm writing something like this: update Brahma set rating is equal to 1, where ID in for 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and for 1, 2, and 4, these two I'm giving rating 1. And for these two I'm going to give rating 2 for all. Now if you see this, whenever we have a table, whenever we want to deal with the table, there will be definitely few duplicate records. So if you want to delete those duplicate records before going further, we can use this SQL actually. So I wrote something like a delete from Brahma, where ID in. I have already written one subquery inside, and let me execute this one. So it all deleted 0 rows, so we don't have any duplicates in our table for now. So let me check what is there in the table. So we have few records: ID, name, location, salary, and rating. Okay. Let us discuss about store procedure. Okay. So in order to create a store procedure, you need to start like this: create or replace procedure. This is the store procedure name that I have given. The name is Brahma underscore delete. So it returns string. Okay, and a language I'm using is JavaScript. So when you see these two, we can also call these things in SQL actually. These are the SQL statements only, but I'm using JavaScript in order to create this store process. So uh, I need to write like this: where delete query one is equal to delete from Brahma. This is the table where ID is equal to 1212, and where query two, the query two is delete from Brahma, where salary is equal to 15,000. So uh, uh, now it is going with the try catch. Okay, try snowflake dot execute SQL test delete query 1 snowflake dot execute SQL test delete query 2 snowflake dot execute SQL test commit query. Okay, until this, if you understand, it will commit these two queries and it will delete these two records actually from the table. Okay, once this operation is completed, you will get one message: deletion completed successfully. So after that, if our store procedure sees any issue, it immediately return a message named error occurred. Okay, so I need to run this query. So we'll get function Brahma delete successfully created. So let's see if it is working or not. We need to call the store procedure now. So we have called the store procedure. Let's see if deletion is completed or not. So now, as per the store procedure, it should delete where ID is equal to 1212 and where salary is equal to 15,000. So let's see if those two records got deleted or not. So I don't see any ID with 1212 and salary 15,000. So those two records got deleted. Now what I do, I will drop this table and I will start from I will start back actually. So what I do, I will drop this table quickly and I will create this table again and I will insert all the world values in order to proceed with the second store procedure. I'm just deleting them. Now let's now I just want to increase salary for all my employees with 10%. I don't want to divide them based on department or rating or something. For flat, for every employee, I just want to increase only 10% across the organization. So this is the store procedure that we can you make use of this whenever you want to increase flat 10%. At that time, you can make use of this uh, store procedure and you can call it actually. So suppose if you want to increase today or tomorrow or from next month onwards, you can execute this store procedure in Snowflake and you can call the store procedure. So whatever we create a store procedure or functions, right, we can call again and again, again and again. Whenever it is required, we can simply call it and we can run it. That is the advantage of store procedure. So now I call the store procedure. Now I just want to see if salary a column updated or not. Okay. So see, now I see some changes. I have we have given so 10% increase, right? So, based on that, it got increased. Now what I do, I will quickly drop this table again. So 10% got increased. Now I will go with another store procedure in order to make you understand better. I'm deleting all the existing data and uh, going back to original state. Okay, now what I do, and now we previously increased the salary based on nothing, right? We increased the salary for all people. Now I just want to increase the salary based on the rating. Okay, so in my table there is no rating column. If you observe, there is no rating column previously. Now we just need to create the rating column. So for that rating column, uh, I have my existing queries here, so I'm executing them. It is simple. First, we need to add a new column, and after that, we need to update the column based on the IDs. Okay. For these two IDs, I have given rating 1. For these three IDs, I have given rating 2. Okay. Now I just want to increase the salary percentage based on the rating actually. So in this store procedure, I have written some case statement. So when rating is equal to 1, the salary should increase 20%. When rating is equal to 2, then salary should increase 10%. Here also I have used JavaScript. Okay. Now, in the try, it executes the query. It updates the query. Okay, the query is when rating is equal to 1, it increases 20%. When rating is equal to, it increases 10%. In the second try, it execute commit query. Okay. Now, in the return, it gives us a salary increase based on rating completed successfully. If it is any issue, error while execution, it gives us error occur. Okay, now let me execute this function here on top of the table, and now I call it. So until we call the procedure, it won't update the table actually. Okay, let me call this. So you see, salary update is increased, successfully completed. Now let me see if it is updated or not. See, now it got updated based on based on the performance rating. We have updated the salary for all the employees based on their ratings. So if they are in rating 1, they will get 20%. If they are in rating 2, they will get 10% flat. Okay. Now, now what I want to do is I just want to create a new column to show how much percentage they got increased. Okay. So now I'm creating and now I'm creating a new column. See, I have created a new column. The column name is percentage increase, and I have updated the table and I have updated this particular column alone using case statement. When rating is 1, then it should be 20 and else 10. This way I have updated that column. So if you see, if the rating is 1, it will increase 20. If the rating is 2, it will show 10 actually. This is just for indication for the employee. Based on their percentage, we have increased like this. Now, yeah, this way I hope you understand the process how we can write a store procedure on top of one particular table in Snowflake, and we can call them whenever it is required. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.